In this video, I'll be showing you legit paying apps that has actually paid me and are still paying. Now, these apps are apps that you can actually find on your Play Store or on your Apple Store. Now, there are not the general apps that you know, but just a few apps that are actually legit, trusted by Trustpilot. And if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'll be showing you how you can navigate around these apps and double your money or get paid more money. And I'll also be explaining to you the best apps that you can actually combine for you to see more results when it comes to making money online. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Self Hustle. This is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're seeing our video for the very first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. If you would like to make money using legit apps, please do well to watch this video to the end and also share this video with your family and friends that are actually interested in making money. This video is about apps that can easily pay you, and those apps are apps that you can easily find on either your Play Store or on your Apple Store. So for me now, I'm using an iPhone, so I will be clicking on this Apple Store. Now, the first thing you'll be doing, I said that I will be taking you through the process on how you can, find these apps and how you can make good use of those apps. The first thing you'll be doing is opening your Play Store like this. Now, you type in the question section, you type make money. So once you type in make money, not all the apps are actually legit. Just a few of them are legit, and those few apps that are legit are apps that I will be showing you, indicating them for you so that you'll be able to identify them. Now, once your Play Store opens like this, you scroll down. Now, the first one we'll be looking at is called Paidwork. Make money online doing paid work. Now, this paid work are just simple tasks. As you can see, this is the first one, Paidwork. It has a 4.5 review on Trustpilot. You all know that whatever review Trustpilot has given us is what we work with, because it is one of the best websites that can actually fish out scam websites. So this first one actually has a 4.5 review on Trustpilot and 50,000 plus reviews, like positive reviews on Trustpilot. Now, how you can earn on this particular website, you earn by playing games. You play games, you watch videos, you do online shopping, that's like cashback online shopping and other things. Now, this particular website will actually pay you into your PayPal or will pay you as a gift card. So if you're in Nigeria and obviously you do not have a PayPal account, you can actually redeem your earnings using gift card. This app does not restrict you to a particular time, whatever. And then you can also invite your friends to earn. Now, if you also want to know more about the app, you can check the app rating and all of that. Let's go for that. The next one we'll be looking at here, we need to scroll down. Next one we'll be looking at here is called Foap. Foap is a good app because you get to do surveys and offers. Now, this Foap, the reason why it's included in this list is because they pay you through gift card. So, and in Nigeria, you can always redeem your gift card, either Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card, Best Buy gift card, any gift card of your choice. So if you're looking to make money online, please head straight and download Foap. Earn money and cash. Now, then we keep scrolling. The next one we have here is BananaBucks. BananaBucks is also an easy way to take surveys and make money online. Now, the pay might not be much, but it is actually one of the legit survey paying website that you can find on the internet. Sometimes you get to earn about $1 for each surveys that you take, and the payment method is actually PayPal, but then again you can actually also get paid using Payoneer. So the next one we are going to be looking at, you scroll down. See, as you can see, I'm not picking just any website, or I'm not picking just any app. I'm scrolling down to show you the apps, some of the apps that I have tried and they have worked, and some of the apps that I know that yes, they're actually working. Let's scroll down to Premix. Now, this Premix, I have actually made use of this Premix, and this is one of the best app aside Toloka. So the next thing is you turn your points to to cash. Now, this Premix actually pay you in points. You get to do activities like check out websites, sign up on so websites. You get to play game. You get to drop your reviews, just like surveys. You get to drop your reviews about brands. Some brands can actually even pay you up to $10 just for dropping review. So, and you get paid the $10 over and over again. So why not look up this particular app, Premix Earn Money, because it is actually legit. So after Premix, you scroll down again. Please, if you want to pick other apps or you're tempted to pick other apps, please make sure you do your diligent research about it, whether they are gaming apps or just normal apps. Please do what to do your diligent research. The next thing we have here is Sweatcoin. An OG on Safe Hustle, you would actually know that I have talked about Sweatcoin. Although Sweatcoin, the money you earn actually comes in coins, but then again, you can always use that money. You can always redeem it or actually use the money to buy something online. So it is a win-win thing. Now, like you doing nothing, because all you just have to do is to turn on the Sweatcoin app and start working. If you are the type that loves to jog, you'll be making more coins just by jogging. And Sweatcoin also helps you to, regulate your health when it comes to, you'll be making money at the same time regulating your health. Actually, check out Sweatcoin because it's actually a good way to make money. Then you scroll down to Clickworker. Now, Clickworker also has a website and they have an app. So you can make money on Clickworker anywhere, anytime. Now, Clickworker is actually an app that will ask you to do simple jobs. You understand? Jobs like they will ask you to visit a mall, take images of certain products in that mall. Clickworker, they can actually ask you to go to a mall and take picture of a detergent, a bar soap, or anything that any brand that has actually signed up with them or that has jobs with them, and you get paid in real time dollars. This time around, not in coins or rewards. You get paid in dollars. So with that being said, guys, do what? Check out Clickworker. And next one that we'll be looking at on this our list is one of my favorite, Toloka. Like how I have said, Premix, I showed you Premix just now, and I said it's a bit close to Toloka. Toloka has actually paid me back to back. Like, Toloka is an online earning platform that has actually paid me back to back, and I'm happy to say it because they are actually legit. They give you simple tasks to do. Like, you even get to have a lot of tasks when you open a Toloka apps. It is not something that you get tired of the tasks or you can't find tasks there. You understand? They'll ask you to take pictures, type in words, snap an image, find an image, edit something into something. They just ask you to do a lot of tasks that you can actually make real money from. So, and these are tasks that you can easily do from the comfort of your home. In fact, you also get to choose the type of tasks that you want to do. They don't just bulk you with a lot of tasks. You get to choose the one that you know that you like or you can do. So with that being said, guys, and these are tasks that you can do from anywhere in the world. You understand? Toloka is not location restricted. No, you can get to earn even if you're traveling, if you're working, and these are their payouts. You can get to use Payoneer. So if you're in Nigeria, just go for Payoneer. Don't even bother about the rest. Papara, Query, Well, if you have the account, no problem, but if you don't, you can just opt in for the Payoneer, which I actually use, and it has been paying me fine and good. So you scroll down, just I think one more app to go when it comes to making money online. That being said, guys, if you are still watching the video to this level and you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. So the last on the list that I have reserved, one of the best that I have reserved. Also, if you're also an OG, you know that we've talked about Foap app. Now, Foap app is actually for selling images. Now, for you to make money on Foap app will actually pay you real money, real dollars. For you to actually make money on Foap app, you also need to have a little bit of editing skills. Yes, because these are images that you have to upload, and when you upload them, people have to download it for you to get paid. And the reason I have reserved it for the last shot is because I am also using Foap app. All you have to do is to on the camera of your phone, look for an item around your house that you know that maybe people will be interested in downloading or seeing, even if it's just a cream, a body cream, face cream, a cup, a jug, a mug, a fridge, anything around your house that you know that yes, people can actually download it. Then you snap it. Once you snap it, you use maybe CapCut or Canva to actually edit that particular picture. You make it bright, more brighter. You make the color pop out more. You change the background the way you like it, and then you upload it. You can also try like what I do is I upload 3 pictures in a day. Sometimes there are also pictures that I download from the internet and then I re-edit it and then upload it, except for weekends. I don't upload weekends because I have other things doing, but I upload 3 times every day, and the results are actually real cash. You can get paid up to $200. Some people are even making like $500 from this particular Foap app. So I would say Foap app is one of your go-to. In fact, it's really one of your best shots when it comes to apps that are actually paying you online real cash, because you get paid directly into your Payoneer account with no stress at all. But you have to be able to work and then upload it. So guys, with that being said, guys, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.